Yeah, my dear friends, I am here to recommend Mr. Anil Bahal for coaching sessions. Coaching is very important for us because if in every sports field, if you see, there is a coach. The concept of coaching is very ingrained and very powerful in all sporting events. Whereas when it comes to business and personal life, normally we think we don't need a coach. I personally, my name is Lazarus Dias. I have been in training and consultancy for the last 8 years. I am in the field of finance for the last 27 years. I have done certified life coaching through Symbiosis University. I am also an author of 4 books. And although I have been very highly successful, and the people whom I have trained also have been very successful, but I find that in spite of being successful, it is very important to have a coach, because there are a lot of blind spots. However successful you are, there are a lot of blind spots which you may not be able to actually see. When we are in the business, we require somebody dispassionately, without any passion, very objectively being able to look at what we are doing. And that is where the coach comes as a very important resource, because he is not he is not in the business, and therefore he can be dispassionate. I was introduced to Mr. Anil Bahal through a common friend, and although I have my own coach, but then I was recommended that I should do some coaching sessions with Mr. Anil Bahal. Initially I was a little hesitant, because he is also coming from the same school, the college that I did certified life coaching, though he was a little senior to me. But when I took these coaching sessions, what I found that he has actually expanded through his own experience and knowledge and done some very great work in the area of core beliefs. And when he did this coaching to me, I found that this was very helpful for me. I was able to see a lot of black spots and blind spots in my life, and he was able to break through that. And I think the kind of success that I actually can have once these spots are all identified and taken care of, it's unbelievable what levels you can reach. I think this coaching that Mr. Anil Bahal does is very interesting. He is very passionate about it. He involves himself and really does a very good thing of the analysis of what exactly are your blind spots. I would like to very highly recommend Anil Bahal for your life coaching. Thank you.